I'm Darren Campi. I'm the franchisee for Pirtek here in Ballarat. Been in the business for well over 20 years. I also own several franchises up in North Queensland. Basically, we're a service provider. If someone's got an issue or a problem, we can come with solutions for that. Whether it's a breaking down machine on a mine site, on a work site, we can come in, we can fix a blown hydraulic hose on the site, or we can then go right into installation of complete systems. Whether it's full quick hitch systems, hammer systems on excavators, to a simple grease system. Our mobile service units are critical to our business. They are critical. If we don't have reliable vehicles to get on site on time that can carry the tools and equipment and the parts required, we don't have a business. So it's all based, our business is all based around that service model of being able to be reactive to a breakdown or a situation where we need to be on site quickly. Most of it's emergency call out. We do regular servicing on certain things like fire suppression. That's another little side thing we do. Yes, we do regular servicing there, but the majority of our work is, my machine's down, let's go. The sooner we can turn them around, they're back producing, okay, the job's on time, everything's on time, on budget, so forth. So it's critical we get there as soon as we possibly can. I bought this business in 2019, okay, there was no Isuzus here then. We've now got 3 Isuzus working out of Ballarat. I've got about 10 Isuzu service trucks up in Queensland as well and down here, and they are critical to what we do. We can carry 7.5 tonne in them. I can fully load them up. I can also put all the mine spec on them as well, okay, and they're reliable. We have very little issue with them, very little, and the main thing with them is we can get the bodies built and we can get them out, and the guys can go on site and they're confident to know they have everything they need to do the job in that truck. They're comfy, they're quite easy to get around in. The boys enjoy driving them. They much rather take a truck than a van any day of the week, because it's far better for them to work out of. It's safer to work out of the back of a truck than a van. You've actually got a nice sized workbench. It is at the right height of a workbench, the back of your service vehicle. You can also run the larger machinery in it, so we can look after and crimp those larger hoses that we sometimes get. And so the guys are confident with what they've got. Yes, well, down here we use the local guys here, Ballarat Isuzu, very good guys, and now they look after us. We have very few problems with them, so it's not a big call for us, but when we do have a problem, they're onto it straight away. Very happy with how they look after us. And that's one thing in life, isn't it? If you look after the people around you and look after everyone around you, it looks after you, yes.